The family's car disappears into a sinkhole in George, but no one injuries. No injuries were sustained after a Toyota Fortuner was submerged in a sinkhole in the Geneva Fontaine area on Saturday morning. Speculation that the driver had ignored traffic cones in the road has not been confirmed, a local publication reports. According to Municipal Communications Officer Thane Schultz, the incident took place near an area where officials were working to repair a water pipe burst that occurred earlier on Saturday morning. She said the incident delayed the repairs. Water supply may be affected. Request for all residents to use water sparingly. Update on repairs will follow. Southern Cape Police spokesperson Captain Malcolm Poggi confirmed the incident, and the father and his son managed to safely escape from the vehicle before the road gave way. The vehicle has since been removed from the sinkhole.